Welcome back to the Mojo Show, everybody! I hope you're all doing well. I noticed a peculiar behaviour of mine. Because I'm home more often, I find that I keep going to look at what's in the fridge. It's not even because I'm so hungry, I'm kind of just doing it out of habit. And it's not like there's going to be anything new in there since the last time I checked 10 minutes ago. So, I figured out a way to solve this issue. On a piece of paper, I drew a picture of all the items in the fridge. Then, I attached my drawing to the front of the fridge so I can remind myself what's inside without having to constantly check. Plus, when something in the fridge gets eaten, I can cross it off the drawing. For today's Mojo Show challenge, I want you to do the same. On a piece of paper, draw as many things as you can that exist inside your refrigerator at home. You can have an adult help you organise the inventory. Once your drawing is finished, take a picture of it and post it to Instagram with the hashtag #MojoShowChallenge. Then tape it to the front of your fridge so everyone can see what's inside.